Put your hands together for Nicholas Jamerson and the Morning Jays.
It's a pleasure to be here with y'all tonight. Thank you. They put our drummer in jail, so it's just us tonight.
Saddle up those ponies and take off to paradise and ride those suckers like they were stolen. Straight into the sun, that's a good place to start. It's amazing what's created when you follow the heart. That's why you gotta try, friend, try, and fly, friend, fly. Go a great distance just to see what you find when you ride, friend, ride. Well, the trails of your heart can be a windy ass road, but in time you'll have a good sense of direction. Even though you'll never know what's beyond your horizons, you will learn to expect the unexpected. Let your steed steer if you get off course. Nature's your driver on top of a horse. That's why you gotta try, friend, try, and fly, friend, fly. Go a great distance just to see what you find when you ride, friend, ride. Mr. Thomas Albert. Here's what I'll say about those wishes, my friend. Don't you dare toss them away like this in the wind. That's why you gotta try, friend, try, and fly, friend, fly. Go a great distance just to see what you find when you ride, friend, ride, and try, friend, try.
Thank you so much. We get a lot more volume in front of us. Everything. Oh, there we are. Yeah, there we are. That's all good. Always helps.
just you're in the right flow. You have been a friend of mine. We have to say goodbye. We're just in two different boats. I know it sounds good. Life takes the turns it should. That's just the way that it goes. It's all in my eyes, and now I just feel as I go. I know it's all good, and it's best of love would wherever the breeze blows. Yeah, you have been a friend of mine. We have to say goodbye. We're just in two different boats. I know it's all good. Life takes the turns it should. That's just the way that it goes. That won't be a compass that pulls you to and fro. We're all headed for saying, ah, in a vast promised land. I'm gonna go, I'm gonna go. If I gotta do it alone, yeah. You have been a friend of mine. We have to say goodbye. We're just in two different boats. I know it's all good. Life takes the turn it should. That's just the way that it goes. Thank you so much. Before we leave, I'll make sure everybody knows this guy's name, Mr. Wesley Smith over here on the guitar. So Wes and Aaron are part of a group called Brother Smith because they're brothers and their last name's Smith, so they called themselves Brother Smith. A real...
True story.
Yeah. And on the end down there playing bass, Mr. Jordan Allen. Jordan Allen and the Bellwethers. And back here on pedal steel, the third righteous brother, the master of the Schwinn bicycle, Mr. Thomas Albert, everybody. So if you ever see Nicholas Jamerson in the Morning Jays, you've seen us now, so you can decide next time if you want to join us or not. But it's our last song. It's a new one, and it's basically just calling to, if you got love to give, give it, and you can find it anywhere. So we'll leave you with this one. Thank you so much for your time, and we'll see you next time.
Well, I wish I was rolling in the dough. I wish I didn't have to fight no more. I wish I didn't have to sell my soul. I wish I was rolling in the dough. Yes, sir. 2, 3, 4 bills to pay. Another 5, 6, 7, 8 pills to take. But if I don't get my fix today, gonna lay right here and die. I'm a 1, 2, 3, 4,000 miles from my last oil change, says the dial. But if I don't make it at least a little while, gonna lay right here and die. Yeah, I wish I was rolling in the dough. I wish I didn't have to fight no more. I wish I didn't have to sell my soul. I wish I was rolling in the dough. She's got 1, 2, 3, 4 mouths to feed, and a nasty habit cup of greed. And she might not make her rent this week. She can only dream about that beach house sitting on the sand. A true and a faithful kind of man, a slow and always steady hand. Her dreams are made of these. Well, I wish I was rolling in the dough. I wish I didn't have to fight no more. I wish I didn't have to sell my soul. I wish I was rolling in the dough. And fame, but I have went through hell and back just to make myself a name. I have learned to be content without earthly gold, but I would be a lying man if the truth were not told. Yeah, I wish I was rolling in the dough. I wish I didn't have to fight no more. I wish I didn't have to sell my soul. I wish I was rolling in the dough. I wish I was rolling in the dough. Yeah, I wish I was rolling in the dough.
Mr. Aaron Smith over here on the fiddle is going to lead us in the word now.
Sitting out on the side porch step, making memories we'll never forget. We're gonna have us a good time, sing songs, you know them neighbors don't mind. No shoes foot loose is what we got. We don't need a lot, just need a little salt on my watermelon. Some sweet tea in a Dixie cup, can't describe the way I'm feeling. Lord help me with the filler up. Sitting on the side of that concrete porch, taking a nap on the swing. I'm taking the sights, the sound, the smells, and a little salt on my watermelon. As the air gets cool, I grab myself another bottle of brew. We'll kick your feet up and get you a chew. Make sure, just sure my mama don't catch you later on when the sun goes down. Well, still be hanging around, yes you will. Just need a little salt on my watermelon, some sweet tea in a Dixie cup. I can't describe the way I'm feeling. Lord help me with the filler up. Sitting on the side of that concrete porch, take a nap on the swing. I'm Take in the sights, the sound, the smells, and a little salt on my watermelon.